it's Mrs. Perkins. Today we're going to make a Mother's Day card. So I have a few things that you're going to need to find around the house before you start, but then we're ready to make the card. One thing I got was a piece of orange construction paper. You can use any color you want. You could use cardstock, anything that you have. And if you don't have color, you could just get a piece of heavier white paper and do it on the white paper, okay? Then I folded it in half, got my crease really nice so that I have the card shape. I found a smaller piece of white paper, and that paper will go on the front of the card, okay? Now, if you don't have the colored paper, you don't have to worry about this step. You're going to have it right on the front of your card. Today we're going to practice making bubble letters. Now I know we've done bubble letters a little bit when we've done portfolios, but I'm going to go over it today. And you're going to make the letter that is the first letter of your mom's first name. Okay, so I drew a shape of your paper on the board here, so you know how big about to do it. You can do a scrap piece of paper to practice. And I'm going to do the letter J because my mom's name is Judy and it starts with a J. Now J is a good letter because it has a straight line, but it also has a curved line, okay? So you're going to do this in pencil. After you get it done, now we want to bubble it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go around it, kind of fat at the top, bring it around, and then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to come down, up, around, like that, so I have the whole shape bubbled. Now, once you get that done, and you might practice a few times so you get nice and straight, I'm going to come with an eraser, and I'm going to erase this line here, and I'm going to erase this line going across and any inside lines that have gotten in my way. So now all I see is the nice bubble shape, okay? You can clean it up a little bit if you need to. Now, after the bubble shape is done, you're going to color this. You can color it with crayon, you could use marker, you could use watercolor paint, whatever you have at home. I chose to use watercolor paint. So this is an example of one I did at home. And then I did one at home that was the whole color. So this one I did blue, and this one I did yellow and orange, okay? Now, I'm gonna come in here and add a little bit of design to my letter, okay? So it looks a little fancier for your mom. Now I'm using marker on mine, and you can definitely use Sharpie. Be careful if you did it with crayon though, because you know when you put Sharpie on crayon, it ruins the marker immediately and it will dry it up. So don't use Sharpie on the crayon. That's why I chose watercolor. So I'm just gonna come in here and do a little design on this. So let's see, I'm gonna come around. All the way around with that same scallop design. Okay, and now I'm gonna add, I think, a little pink to this. So I'm gonna come in here and do a little pink. I'm gonna have to do it on the outside because I wanna make sure it shows up a little bit. Might not show up too good on the orange. All the way around. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the top. So I think I'm gonna make like a kind of a leaf design to fill this space. So I'm just gonna swoop it over like that. And let's come in and add like some little leaves maybe. And you don't have to do it like mine. Y'all have great ideas, and you know a lot of patterning and design that we've done over time too. So I'll come in here and add a little blue to this. See, maybe I'll add a little pink in here. Okay, what colors have I not used? Let's see how this green looks on my orange. So I'm gonna do some swirls coming down. And then I don't want to leave the background alone, so let's come in here and try to do something here. Maybe like a little swirl. Bring my leaf pattern back. Maybe you'll live here, something at the top. Decorate it any way you want to. Okay. You can add as much of the glue as you want to. When you're done, I have one that I finished already. You're going to take it with your glue stick. And remember, when we glue, don't just do a spot in the middle, or you got to do the whole outside so the whole card stays down. All your edges should have glue on them. And then I like to do like an X in the middle or something. And I'm going to take this, it has the glue on it now, and I'm going to glue it on the front of colored paper, right in the center, like that. And if you can find some extra white paper, I have an extra piece here, you could always open it up. I need to let this stay down for a while. Then you could glue this on the inside of your card, and you could write a little message to Mom in there, okay? So give this time to dry, because you can see mine wants to come up, because I just probably need to add a little more glue to it, okay? All right, good luck making your Mother's Day card. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I hope to see you soon. Bye.